my channel. It's Miss Tay Rosé. This makeup look is all mine. You have purple with an edge of green, similar to the previous makeup look that I've done as of last week. If you'd like to see how I achieved this amazing look and the products that I used, please keep watching. So I'm going to prime my lids using the Clinique Line Smoothing Concealer in the shade Medium Honey, which unfortunately is no longer available. However, you can use any concealer that is in your makeup collection at the moment. Once I prime my lids, I'm going to go in with this color, and it is by the Workshop collection from Walmart, which I received a few years back, but I decided to bring it out. And it is this duo shadow that I'm going to use, but I'm only going to use this brick red part, in which I am currently panning on at the moment. So I mean, that's what you're going to see in the next couple or so clips. So before my camera rudely stopped, I did the wing part, or the very tip part of my wing liner. But don't worry, I've done this before, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the tutorial where I'm talking about how I did this process in the cards above. So please be sure to check that out. I'm going to move on with underneath my eyes, and I'm going to come back with my lashes. at you with the lashes. The lashes I will be wearing for today are the Mink 3D hair lashes, and this is in L28. So I'm going to pop on these lashes, and I'll be back at you with the lips. So now I'm back at you with the lips. For my lips today, I'm only doing lipstick, and this is by, yes, you guessed it, MAC Cosmetics. And this color is no longer available, but you can find any shade that's similar to this. I'm using the Retro Matte lipstick, and this is in the shade RiRi Boy, and this was when Rihanna first came out with her matte collection with MAC. This was years ago. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more. Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. That is all I have for now. I'll see you in a previous video that is right here. See you there. Bye!